Wow, so this was the...
That's called a Sheffield hand car.
Wow, dude.
That's from the
That's
mid...
the train track. For what year was this?
Well, look, you have to read these things. That's the original one from 1900.
Oh.
The hurricane washed that up. You got to read this thing.
Oh, so they did a replica?
So they did a replica here. But this is where
Okay.
the train... This is the original one.
From 1905?
Yeah, the hurricane washed this up. They didn't even know it was here.
Wow. Wow, such a history, huh?
See, look. 1907.
1907.
Railroad ties original to the Florida East Coast Railway. Long Key sidetrack, circa 1907.
Wow, so that's this one. Wow, it's amazing, man.